Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To be able to access your spark plugs, it is necessary to remove the airbox. Remove the breather hose. You can now remove the airbox. Make sure you slide it to the left and pull towards you. You should now have access to the 3 ignition coils that need to be removed so you can access the spark plugs. Switch of the power supply to the coils. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. You can now lever it off with a flathead screwdriver. Then move aside the coil power supply. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Careful! The coils are fragile. It is important to handle them with care.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Clean the spark plug channels with compressed air or a vacuum cleaner. Using a socket wrench and a long 14mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug. Finish it off by hand. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Put the new plug in place. Always start screwing by hand. Then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. Then screw the screw back in. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Reconnect the electric connector. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Put the airbox back in place, paying careful attention to properly put the spur into position. Then push down to lock it in place. Reconnect the breather hose. Operation completed.